Oh, okay, maybe it's better. There you go, because I was gonna say I don't want to hurt it. All right, so. You okay? Yeah? It was.
Surtout qu'en plus j'avais pris une prime entre temps, donc
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel for what is probably going to be my last video of the year, or the first one of the new year. So today I'm actually on my way home to celebrate Christmas with my family, and as I was just like tidying up my space, I just wanted to take this time to show you some of the things that I bought for myself for, I guess, like Christmas, amongst which is Solange's vinyl. I now have two. Still don't have a record player, but we're working on that, as well as some of my new ceramics, which I am so obsessed with. And then I also got a Faith Ringgold book. I think it was this summer that I went to her exhibit in Paris, and it was amazing. So yeah, I was actually really excited to get a book from her and her work, because she's one of my favorite painters, if not my favorite. But yeah, I guess I just wanted to take this time to like say hello. I know there's like a few people who have subscribed to this channel at the end of the year, so hi, hello. On my end, I feel like from January on, I really want to do a few things on this channel. I'm obviously continuing the apartment tour series, which I think is one of the series that you've been enjoying. And about that, I would love to know if you have any suggestions, or you know, like a format that you really enjoy or something else. Like, it's always so helpful for me to know, like, you know, when it comes to editing, or even just like the people yeah, that you'd like to see on my channel. But yeah, overall, I think I just wanted to take this time to thank you all for the support. It's always kind of surreal to think that people are watching your video and like the things that you produce, and like the fact that like a lot of it just comes from my mind, really. I'm always so like touched and happy to see people like interact with it, like leave comments and share it, and you know, it's, yeah, it just feels really good. So I wanted to say thank you for that. I'm thinking of including more home content, so let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, because I feel like because of all of the apartment tours that I was able to make, and all of the people that I was able to, whose house I was able to go to and to tour, it kind of like gave me ideas and feelings about like what I want my home to feel like. And although I love my home and I love the way it is right now, I also feel like there's some tweaking that I'd like to do. So I feel like when it comes to the vlogging, it might just start to be a lot more house updates or something like that. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna have to go because I need to eat and then go to the train station. Hopefully I get some footages from home and like the food we eat and the time we spend together. Once again, thank you all for everything, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Peeling back the layers of the part I've been playing for you.
Greetings! My name is Abra, and I am a Parisian content creator. I designed the apartment tour series as a space to explore cool homes while talking to the people who create them. I started the series with mostly Parisian apartment tours I filmed with my friends. Since then, I've been able to travel, make London apartment tours, Brooklyn apartment tours. I also filmed in Berlin, New York City, Brussels. Next, in season 2 of this apartment tour series is a special episode I filmed in the coziest Parisian apartment. It will be live on my channel on November 16th. This is one of the last 3 episodes before the end of the season. The apartment tour series, season 2, now counts 8 episodes, all available on my YouTube channel at Abra de Grassa. If you'd like to be featured in the series, message me on social media or simply drop me an email. Feel free to also tag below anyone you'd like to see featured. See you all soon. Bye!